For those of us who love fishing, nothing ruins a day on the water faster than reeling in half a fish. This is a specific human-wildlife conflict that fisheries scientists refer to as depredation, formally defined as the partial or complete removal of a target species by a predator. Anglers are increasingly frustrated with what they perceive as recent and dramatic increases in shark depredation, which reduces their support for shark conservation initiatives and their trust in resource management decisions and processes. But which shark species are to blame? Scientists are developing clever techniques to identify depredators, or the specific species responsible for depredation, using small amounts of DNA, and are applying this approach with the help of charter fishing captains. During 2021, 2022, and 2023, 85 samples were collected by collaborating charter captains off Florida's East Coast. Once these samples were collected, they were sent to a geneticist, who then extracted the fragments of depredator DNA from the samples to determine the identities of the sharks responsible for depredation. Results from 56 samples identified several different depredator species. However, bull sharks and sandbar sharks were the most frequent culprits, identified in 3 out of every 4 depredation events. So, what now? The answer is complicated. Knowing the primary species responsible for depredation gives us a better understanding of this conflict and will allow us to develop potential deterrents that are more effective for deterring those species. Despite reported increases in depredation, it's important to remember that this interaction is as old as fishing itself. As shark populations slowly recover from historic overfishing and more anglers spend time fishing, managing this complicated but natural interaction will be challenging for scientists and anglers alike.